In my day-to-day work, I do municipal law and I help clients who are seeking land planning approvals, changing to zoning, building permit approvals, and so forth, as well as if a development has a application that requires either expert input or requires further study in order to advance it to the municipality. I work on all aspects of municipal development. A lot of municipal law depends on expert input, especially engineering reports and technical analysis. And very few people really enjoy reading those reports, but it's something I absolutely love digging into. I enjoy reading the nitty-gritty, finding the nuances that can help us advance towards the goal. I really enjoy problem solving and analytics, and I find that law is marrying the two, both analytics and real life. I like helping clients find a real solution based on the law in a way that's practical and can move their project and their life forward. So typically clients are coming to me quite stressed out. They feel worn down by the progress on their project. They're concerned about the costs accumulating as time is stretching on without approvals, or when they've recently faced a denial they weren't expecting. And once they've met with me, we have a plan to move forward. I've given them a good understanding of what is possible and what is not possible and the timeline that they can expect to have the result they're looking for. And often that really quells their fears and can help them move forward with a more analytical and economical view on their project. So I really enjoy collaborative projects. So I work quite closely with all of our experts. I enjoy looping in the client anytime that I have conversations with the experts, and we'll often have a three-way conversation between all of the parties to keep the client informed of what me and the experts are discussing. So you can expect a lot of conference calls. Very recently, I had a case before the Ontario Land Tribunal. It was a week-long hearing that actually involved interpreting a client's contract that he had received third hand from the original owner in 1975. And it reminded me of some of the first principles of contract interpretation that we learn about in law school. And it was really enjoyable for me to go back to those first principles and be reminded of why we came to practice law in the first place and the rudimentary basics of analysis. So typically I'm outside. I'm outside, whether it's hiking at the beach, skiing, skating. I spend all my time out of the house as much as possible.